What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University, and if you are an Amazon publisher like me, you probably already got the bad news. Amazon is going to cut their affiliate commissions by up to, I think, 80%. It's absolutely insane. So I have a blog post from CNBC right in front of me. Amazon slashes commission rates for a program that gives publishers a cut of sales. So basically their affiliate program. An email was sent out yesterday, of which I have a summary here, but let's see what the key points are first. Amazon on Tuesday told members of its affiliate program that it will cut commission rates beginning April 21st. 1 week from now, your commissions will be slaughtered. If you have a blog, which is the most often method used to promote Amazon affiliate products, you are going to take a cut in your revenue, in your profits, because the rates are going down drastically. Rates are being cut for a number of affiliate product categories. For example, the affiliate cut from purchases of furniture and home improvement product has fallen from 8% to 3%. It might sound like a small percentage, only 5% difference, but percentage-wise, it's 70% or even more, 77% that it's actually going down, which is, on terms of basis revenue, let's say you normally make a $100 commission, you're now only going to make $23, commission. So it is a very, very big difference. Amazon is cutting commission rates from members of its affiliate program. The company notified members of the program, known as Amazon Associates, that it will slash commission rates beginning April 21st, according to an email obtained by CNBC. Obviously, we have all received the email. So I think when we scroll down, here is the email. Hello, Associate. We hope you're staying well during this time. We are writing you to inform you upcoming changes to the Amazon Associates program operating agreement. Obviously, they have like a crazy long agreement with all the information. Basically, what you want to know is this. I have a little screenshot here. What are the rates? So for the category furniture, home improvement, lawn, garden, pets, products, pantry, the old commission rate was 8%. It's now going to be 3%, which means a change of 62.5%. When it comes down to headphones, beauty, musical instrument, business, and industrial supplies, it was 6% and it's now 3%, means minus 50%. Outdoor and tools category was 5.5%, is now 3%, reducement of 45.45%. Outdoors and tools, I just mentioned, groceries 5%, now 1%. 80% difference. This is the biggest category change. Sports 4.5% becomes 3%, minus 33%. Baby products, same. Health and personal care 4.5% to 1%, 77.78% difference. Amazon Fresh 3% to 1%, 66.67% difference. What does this mean? When we go back to the CNBC article, what they're actually saying, where did I read this? They said that it has no direct correlation with the coronavirus. Number of funds results of the coronavirus outbreak hit with surge of online orders. The company moves shipments of essential items into its warehouse. So they said it's not directly related to a member of the program who asked to remain anonymous said cannot afford the fees to cut were announced, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this is an interesting read, the article. What it basically comes down to is Amazon doesn't want to admit that it's directly related to the coronavirus outbreak. However, when we look at this overview, all the biggest things like groceries and Amazon Fresh and probably health and personal care when it comes to sanitizers and shit are the categories which are cut down the most. What we've seen during this pandemic outbreak of the coronavirus is that a lot of big companies are cutting their affiliate programs. It is basically the traffic that they receive is already constant. This will be a huge problem for affiliates highly depending on the Amazon Associates program. Let's say you get 80% of your revenue from this Amazon Associates program, from your blog or your YouTube channel, whatever you're running, you're going to take a hit starting at 33% all the way up to 80% of your revenue. And that's why I always say it is very dumb to only focus on one affiliate program. Amazon Associates has so many products, but you're still fixed to that one agreement, which they can basically change at any time, which they have now done, according to this article, according to the emails you have received, and it is growing crazy. I've seen the post on Facebook. Literally 1 out of 5 of my affiliate friends, and I have 5,000 friends on Facebook already. I have a Facebook group with almost 9,500 affiliates. We have had dozens of posts about this already. The main questions right now are, when is it going to change? What is going to happen? Will they change it back? How long will this stay for? But if they are altering their agreement, you can imagine that it's going to last a while. I want to know your opinion. What is going to happen with this? Is this going to hurt us in the long term? Are you an Amazon associate? What is your solution? I don't actively promote Amazon associate products. We have an account, obviously, but I want to know, what are you going to do? Drop it down in the comments below and I will be sure to have a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck during these stressful times, and I will see you guys in the next one.